This path starts to get really steep, so you're going to hear me huffing and puffing. Every time you think that you've gotten to the top of the hill, there's a turn and another hill. At least the bugs aren't too bad today. The Two-Tail Trail. Okay, here we are. It's taken me 55 minutes to get to this trail. Of course, I was filming along the way. This trail, this Two-Tail Trail, and even the vernal pool trails, these are not good for people who have any kind of mobility problems. Trail 5. You can kind of see it going that way. But this is the way I want to go. Alright, and I'm looking for white dots this time. Can you see? They are very hard to see. Walking slowly because it's a sunny day and I would think snakes would be out here laying on the trail. Alright, there's the white dot. Holy mackerel. Look at this deer tracks. Oh, good grief. Oh, this is crazy. Alright, well, give it a try. Holy mackerel. Alright, now I'm stuck in prickers here. Oh! Ouch. Well, if something happens to me, at least I'll have this videotape recording of my folly. Oh my goodness, I think I'm